look forward to pa ba sa career mo?
Dati there was a promise of a project in Hollywood. Pero pag ano pala magulo yung mga producers minsan, it's not worth it for me. Sa akin, bonus na lang yun. So if it doesn't push through, I'm fine. I'm very happy here. I'm fulfilled. And everything I'm doing now is a bonus. Every piece of work is really more of a passion project than something out of necessity. So when I miss doing concerts, I do concerts. When I miss acting, I ask if there's a movie or someone comes out to me. So I started in 1978 and acting in 1981. So I think I've touched on everything I wanted to do. Unless something surprises me, then a different kind of role, then I'd be happy to do that. Excuse me, yeah. So, I don't know. I just go with signs. Signs, yeah. When I say I want to retire na, Lord, and then biglang, oh my God, there's this offer. Parang, di ba? Parang yan, saving grace, oh my God. Okay, Lord, I'm tired na. I want to, oh, there's a Dear Heart tour? Okay. So I'm just always grateful. Always grateful.
Aside from having in life, ma'am, ano pa yung ini-envision mo before your retirement? Ano yung mga plans mo para sa retirement? Na I hope hindi ka pa magre-retire.
I think my husband talaga told me once, sabi, thank you. Sabi niya, when you say you want to retire, if you're tired, why don't you just take some time off? And I'm like, ano, pwede naman kahit 1 year magpahinga, and I've done that already. Parang, oo nga, ba't gusto ko full stop? Tapos pag nainip ako, sasabihin ko na lang, parang I wanna act again. So parang I'm taking it day by day. I'm not in the rat race anymore of show business. Hindi na ako nakikipag-unahan noon. Dati you had so many expectations, so you had to really live up to all of them. You had to, minsan kalaban mo sa box office, sarili mo. Kailangan, you had to break your own record. So now I'm just, give me a role. I'm just excited. Like Miranda's different. First time I ever did something like that, and I'm so happy to do it. So, ako, kasi maipon talaga ako, tsaka ma-invest ako bata pa. I had a very good guide in my father. So, I already knew. Interesado ako sa investment, bata pa ako.
Sharon, how would you react to Filipinos' parents making their children the retirement?
I feel bad about that. I feel bad about that. When my kids they make me labing this in mama, we're gonna take care of you. Oh honey, I don't expect you to do that because I'm working so hard for you guys. But I think it's also right for a child. Like, I did it, but I didn't really have to take care of my parents day to day. But when there was a big bill, like a medical bill, a hospital, oh my God, these are my parents. I mean, without their guidance and their love and the way they raised me, I don't think I would have come as far as I have. But I think kailangan din sa atin yung filial piety. It's just in our culture. And I'm sorry, kahit anong sabihin mo, may utang na rin pa sa magulang mo. So, siguro hindi naman like me, they know I don't need their money, pero yung the mere thought na naisip nila, so like Frankie, when she got her first paycheck, it was 20,000 in cash. When she got home, I said, wow, you were paid. She was giving the whole amount to Nikki. She said, it's my first one. Oh my God. Just give us 1,000, we'll split it. So I go, and then you keep that. Half of it you can spend for what you want, half of it just keep it muna. You're teaching them, just the gesture, just the thought. Yes, the gesture. Parang nakakaano lang ng dibdib, di ba? Parang, or someone will say, Mom, you can use my savings more. I'm like, oh, no, diba? If I ever borrow money from you, I will pay with interest, but I never have. So, it's just cute na they're aware and they're very willing and there's so much trust and respect. So, yun lang, I think, don't ignore your parents. Iba naman yung talagang nineglect ka, walang pakialam sa'yo. Iba naman yun, syempre case-to-case basis. Pero yung talagang nandyan, from the beginning, magulang mo.
So, question, you teach your children to make an investment. And
Always.
Kung meron man po kayo ituturo, what kind of investment? Also with this case conception also.
I taught Casey even before she graduated from college. So when she graduated, I said when we get home, because we were in Paris, I said when we get home, I'm turning over to you all your savings. Not 1 peso less. So, kung ano nang tinubo sa pag-invest ko, inabot ko na. So, and she knew, I said, maliit pa siya because how we separated. So, I want you to grow up knowing you're a very strong woman. You don't need a man to support you. You can work for yourself and your own future. And if you meet somebody that's worth spending the rest of your life, we can go ahead, just be happy. Pero at least wala na yung problema. You don't have to find someone who's wealthy, just someone decent who will love you. Yun. So, all my kids mula nang maliit, sila Frankie, sila Miel, there was a time, kunyari, when Frankie was maybe 4 or 5, she wanted a toy electric guitar. Music talaga, you know, she does that now. And we said, we're gonna pay for half of it. The half you have to pay for. Alam mo kung nga siya mga turon, nagbenta siya, tsaka banana cue. Miel, she used to sell cookies also in bazaars near our village. Miel would sell banana shakes. Make them herself, not her yaya. Her yaya would just accompany her. Pero siya lahat. Pag may pabili, tatayo siya in a bazaar. And Miguel also started selling ice candy in school pag mayroong fair. Alam nila. So,
Miss Sharon, is Casey and Ali together again?
I think we should ask Casey. She's old na eh.
But do you have tips for her? She's trying to lose weight now for.
Oh yeah. No, we've talked. I don't want to betray her trust naman. I think she's, you know, I mean, she's a full-fledged adult. You can ask her. She'll be happy to tell you. But I don't think it's my place to talk about her personal stuff. But she's working very hard on working again. So I'm hoping that, you know, because she still looks like she's 20 or 25, you know. Thank you, mommy. That's from my mom, all of us. I mean, lalo my kids. So, and Frankie looks like she's 50. She's already 24. You know, Casey looks very young. So, my flawless daughter.
But your tasteful choice in fashion, and you know, I must commend your shoes.
Oh my God! Everybody noticed my shoes today. May I show you?
Here.
This is a pair I've owned for maybe 10 years. And because I had an orange top, I said, what will I wear? The blue or the orange? And suddenly, I saw, oh, may ganyan pala ako.
It's always like that.
Thank you. It's a tribute. Oh, sorry.
Sharon, ang galing mo, 10 years.
Longer pa siguro. When we went to Paris, when was that? 2011? 2012? And this is the first time I wore them. It just shows you I take care of my things. Or my yaya takes care of my things. And there's stuff that I own that I haven't used because I don't see them. So, uy, galing, meron pala tayo niyan, yaya. So,
Wala pong kaso sa inyo, ma'am, repeating ng mga...
why? Walang issue sa akin yun. No, I don't mind repeating. I mean, you buy shoes not para itapon mo bukas. I mean, why? They're an investment. And pati damit, I don't mind. Pero wag naman siguro yung magkakasunod na events tapos pare-pareho yung gown na suot mo. Parang siguro bigyan mo na konting time. I don't mind. Mahal ang damit. Let's be practical. I'm not vanidosa. Tuwan-tuwa nga ako pag inaayusan ako, like kung dialogue, uy, artista. Kasi naguwa ka, uy, kung artista today. Kasi wala akong pake. I mean, I like that I'm able to dress up and get dolled up, but there've always been more important things to me than what I'm wearing today or what I look like today. But maybe I'm cute, but I'm not naman, basta I'm decent. I don't have to look like, lumalabas ako, okay lang sa akin yung parang bagong ligo na galing sa batis ng laba, okay lang sa akin. Oh, I'm not maarte. Kailangan lang gato ko sa artista. Thank you.
Have you counted po how many bags you had in so many years? You collected, you're collecting.
I collected without knowing I was collecting. And then my mother passed away and she added to my collection. So, I have lots of vintage stuff even. My first Birkin is now 35, 40 years old. 30. Mura pa Birkin noon. I'm sorry, Kelly pala yun. Kelly. So, at nagamit ko lang siya sa probinsyano na. Never ko siya nagamit. It was just there. So now I have lots of stuff. And I want na, parang, I want to sell some bags na never ko nagamit. Yeah, and just keep the bags that I like. Kasi it's impossible to use everything. Kahit na araw-araw ko magpalit. Sorry. But I might just do that. I'll do it online maybe. I don't know.
Nasa isang room siya or rooms?
One is in a bedroom in my other unit. One is a bedroom in my other unit, which is full of shelves and I have a warehouse. I lease a warehouse, and it's so full. Not just of bags, but all my shoes.
Rafael has the last
Yes,
question.
Rafael.
He's the
Come on,
youngest.
she said, may I ask?
From Inquirer.
Good job. Start working early and learn from your seniors, ha? JC will no, never stop learning. To this day, I ask, how was that direct? How was that? There are people with more experience. No matter how great you are as a writer, there are people who will know more than you do. Listen, and then add your own, and you'll be great.
Maybe siguro din po, having a shared sense of financial responsibility and frequently 13 being a part of the in-life family with me and you. I wanted to ask, what's it like to work with your own daughter as in-life streaming?
It's wonderful. She gets excited when well, she's in college now, but when she's home, when she's here on vacation, she asks me, "Mom, they don't need to call you." If there's something like this, oh yeah, baby, it's okay. None kami. She's excited. It was great working with her because, you know, parang she grew up watching you on set. Suddenly, she's with you. Parang mas concerned ka sa kung saan ginagawa niya without trying not to be intrusive, di ba? Pero, kaya siya, hindi ginagawa niya. And then you see, when you hear people say, ang galing ako ka natural. Di ba? Pumapalakpak yung tenga mo. Di ba? Oh, my children are, I have the best kids in the world.
As a Gen Z din for myself, is there any piece of advice to share with me, or you can say to fellow Gen Zs as well who are entering the workforce?
Nowadays, honey, there's one thing that I told my kids and their friends, Miguel's Barkada in particular. They asked me if there's one quote that you would like to, that you've lived by, you want to share with us people. I said, okay, never compromise passion for principle. Because if you do, you may win now, but you don't know, you're still losing. So, okay, principle first. It's a very rare trait nowadays, especially in your, I don't mean to diss you, but because everything is instant gratification, we had to climb our way up without all your technological, what you call, comforts. Remember, bata pa kayong lahat, but when I was in high school, I had to go to the library to research something and borrow books this high and then return them in time or may fine ako, di ba? And we had to manually type. We didn't have backspace. Delete, walang ganyan. Typewriter. It's, you know, you have all of these, there's all this new technology that you should use for good. It's so easy to be tempted by easy money. And do not sacrifice your principles for that, because you're not just building wealth or something for your future or a name. You are also leaving a legacy. You don't want your kids and grandkids to one day say, wow, yaman na natin pero saan mo tayo? Thank you.
So we can take a photo with Michelle.
Yes, please. I love you.
Galing po doon na-incorporate niyo yung sabay tayong mag-secure ng
Yeah, totoo.
Sa kahit pa
Yeah, on the spot. Mahilig akong gumanyan.
sa partner niyo sabay lang.
Yes, please come, everybody.
It's a solo.
Yeah, I'll stand.
The logo.
Okay.
With my orange sandals.
Hi, Eagle. Sorry. Wala pa. Palambot pala.
Malambot po pala.
Hindi pala tarpaulin. Tela.
Here na yun.
Lahat na po kayo. Sharon.
Come, let's batch mga 5 at a time. So we can, so it's not naman too wide.
Yun po nung entertainment
Jace, I lost
reporters. Tapos next natin yung sabi mo, ang dami ko rin natin.
15 sa last month. Sorry po, makikipicture po.
Yeah, sabi ng birthday ko na sa tagal na 9 years. I have to take it seriously na hindi ka papayag ka pa.
First batch, second batch. When it comes to
Okay, first batch. No, give the camera to your cameras to your friends. Let's do this. Okay, let's move on now.
Sige.
Thank you so much.
Mas mahaba yung sa
Naku, passion project. I love it so much. Kaya hindi ko rin support. Ay! So, sabi ko na, inaano ko yung mama niya sa DM. Siyempre, promise, kukulitan niyo ha. Ang galing niya, pero ba't na yung ugali?
Hi, Kita Esther. Ba't to me your Esther?
Actually, you can all do solo basta fast. Ay, talaga?
Grabe tayo, Miss Miranda.
Tapos in the end, mawawa pala siya.
Grabe tayo, Miss Miranda.
Sige, ano natin? Solo basta fast. Sige, umiin na lang tayo.
Alex. Happy birthday, Alex. I wish you lots of love and good luck. Naging love from me and happy birthday. It's okay.
In life and Steve, the dream weaver. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Sharon Cuneta Pangilinan.
Hello everybody, good afternoon. I'm your Dream Life Weaver. You're in life, Dream Life Weaver. And I'm very pleased to be here with all of you. I'm very happy that you got to hear about our Retire Assure plan. I am also assuring my retirement well. But I've been doing that since I was 12, so it's okay. Thanks to my parents. But now I'm in life, which makes it all the more stable and secure. And I would just like to thank and acknowledge our executive chairperson, Nina Aguas. Hi, Nina. How are you? Our president and CEO, Raul Antonio Iglitawa. Sir, nice to see you again. And our Chief Transformation Officer, Efren C. Carinal Jr. Hello. And our Chief Agency Officer, Stephen L. Ong. Over there, hello sir, good afternoon. Chief Marketing Officer, Rosalind L. Martinez. Hello again. And Chief Product and Innovation Officer, Jose Eduardo O. An. Hello. Bata ko naman eh, sir. Hello, but I'm so happy you have joined us this afternoon. Let me just do something for all of you. This is not just my national anthem, but also, no, it's not the buffet song. It's not Baludin. It's also not the Holders Forever, like Sana Melchor. It's the other one. But it also can apply to, I think, what in life can do for all of us. So this is for all of you. For our future good in life. Thank you so much, everybody. And Happy New Year, Happy Chinese New Year.
Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause for the legendary and of course very welcome, Miss Sharon Cuneta Pangilinan. Kahit pagkakita ang buko, wow! Resonates deeply and happily echoes, of course, Retire Assure's promise of a secure tomorrow. Now, we would like to acknowledge the presence, of course, of Mr. Robert Joseph Declaro. Let's give him a big round of applause. President and CEO of the Social Security System. Mr. Jose Arnulfo Veloso, President and General Manager of the Government, or Chief SIS as well. And Mr. Martin Ledesma of Limbra. Good afternoon and thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for attending this afternoon's event. At this point, we now invite the following people here on stage to make it even more amazing for all of us. Starting off with Executive Chairperson, we met her, Nina D. Aguas. President and CEO CEO, Raul Antonio E. Vital. Chief Transformation Officer Everett C. Corical Jr. Chief Agency Officer Stephen L. Ong. Chief Marketing Officer Roslyn L. Martinez. And Chief Product and Innovation Officer Jose Eduardo O. Ong. Please join us here on stage. At this point, we will be asking, of course, all our very, very important people to be joining me to press our commitment button, sealing our shared promise to empower every Filipino to retire with confidence and security.
Together with you, eLife is committed to advancing retirement preparedness in the Philippines. We pledge to empower every Filipino to live life to the fullest and retire without worries.
Here we go, united for a secure tomorrow, symbolizing your collective pledge. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands close to our pledge button or our commitment button. Here we go, in 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Retire Assured. Retire without worries, of course, with InLife. Congratulations and thank you very much. There you go to all our distinguished guests, media partners, and the InLife team. Once again, thank you. Your presence has made this lunch definitely unforgettable. Another big round of applause for Retire Assured. Special thanks to Ms. Nina Aguas, maraming salamat po. Mr. Raul Antonio Litawa, Mr. Efren Carical Jr., Mr. Jose Eduardo Ang, and of course, you heard from them earlier on, Ms. Rosie Martinez, Era, who joined us as well, and Ms. Sharon Pineda Pangilinan. Ladies and gentlemen, retirement should be a time to live life to the fullest, free from financial stress, just like what Sir Jose mentioned a while ago, just sitting back and relaxing your retirement life. With InLife, Retire Assured, Filipinos can now enjoy their golden years with confidence, security, and peace of mind. Retire without worries. My name is Chalongo. Good afternoon to everyone, and wishing you a very secure and happy retirement life ahead. Maraming salamat po. Thank you and congratulations. Once again, this is InLife, Retire Assured.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming and sharing this day with us.